Emily,
Please.
go.
Concentrating.
Go.
I'm going, I don't even
Go,
know how many
go,
feet up
go,
this fucking
go.
air.
You're making her nervous. Just go back. Zoe, go.
I swear to God, if this mother bird tries to fuck me up.
What if he's not even from here? You're just gonna give him a new home?
I hope you're recording this.
Oh my God, I'm so close, but it's getting so tight up here.
I know, I see it.
How did it fall down? What if it falls down again?
Careful, that one you're stepping on your right is not real good.
Oh my God, it's got all this fucking sap.
We're gonna have to call a fire department.
Get her down right.
It's easy to get up, it's harder to get down.
Oh my
We're gonna
God.
have to get a big sheet to catch her.
We're gonna have to move the trampoline. She's gonna have
Oh my
to.
gosh.
Trampoline?
All right, guys, shut up. Oh my God, we're
Almost there.
Why the hell that bird?
All right,
just
how
gonna
does it
go
look
here?
where I'm standing?
Do I look okay?
Yeah.
They're passing by.
Be careful, don't